Good afternoon, everyone. It is class number 13 for Thursday, 5th period, KIT Iizuka, English 8B. All righty. Today is going to be a writing assignment, another writing assignment. I believe this is your fifth one. This is your fifth writing assignment? I forget. It's your fifth writing assignment, but here's the topic question. I'm going to show that to everyone soon. Here's the topic itself, the topic article. I'm going to reveal that. Don't forget that I want you to make sure that you do a photo upload for this and the typing upload. The typing upload is going to be due for tomorrow at 1 a.m. at 1 p.m. Okay, but if you haven't done the photo upload, the typing upload isn't going to matter much because I want to make sure that you wrote this within the 30 minutes that I gave you to write this. Now, if you are not in this class right now, if you watch this on, say, Friday afternoon and you want to ask me, Mr. Cruz, I didn't go to class. Can I still do that assignment? You're going to have to do it on a different time with me outside of class because I want to be able to watch you actually do the assignment. I think actually everybody is here. There are 24 people here, so all of my students are here. I don't think it'll be a problem, but just in case anybody asks, for example, for the test, for the final test, I want to be able to see you do this. Unfortunately, because we're on Zoom, I have to make sure that you're the one doing the writing. You're not using your computer for anything else. And this is the best way that I have to do it. So today is a writing assignment. I'm going to be showing you the article in just a second after we talk about the Moodle assignment in Japanese. And then we're going to go on to the go on to the reading of the assignment for 10 minutes. Then we'll switch over to writing for 30 minutes, and that will probably take us about 50 minutes or so. If you have any questions, you can email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can ask me questions after this class is over. Okay, thanks very much.